Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make this Jamaican chicken from HelloFresh, and the color coding here is the grey kind of colored bag. So that's the one that we've got here, and inside the bag, what's our ingredients? Let's have a look. Let's rip it like that. So we've got a can of pineapple slices. We've got some Jamaican spice blend. We've got one chili here. We've also got some basmati rice. So this is 3/4 cup of rice. We got 30 grams of spinach. We've got a herb bag. So we've got 20 grams of mint. We've also got one cucumber. We've got one premium coconut milk, so this is 165 ml. We've also got one tomato, so this is aroma tomato as well. We've got chicken, and this is thigh fillets, and we've got 330 grams worth of chicken. So this recipe here is designed for 2 people, and let's start cooking. So the first step here is to drain the pineapple slices and reserve the pineapple juice, de-seed, and finally chop the long red chili if you're going to be using it. And then it says finally chop the aroma, tomato, and cucumber. Pick and finally slice the mint leaves and reserve a few leaves for garnish. And then the next step, it says to mix the chicken thighs with the Jamaican spice blend and some salt, and drizzle some olive oil. So we're going to do those first 2 steps first, and then we'll move on to our third step, which is cooking the rice. Okay, moving on to our third step, we are going to cook the coconut rice. So it says add the coconut milk and water, and you have to check the ingredients list. So for 2 people, it just says to add 1 cup of water, and it says add some salt as well for the rice. So you're gonna put that in a medium saucepan and bring it to a boil. I don't really have a saucepan with a lid, like a small one, so I'm just going to use this pan and cover it with like a lid. Hopefully that will work. And once the coconut comes to a boil, we are going to rinse the basmati rice, and we are going to add this rice and cover it with a lid and reduce the heat to low. We're going to cook that for around about 10 minutes. We are going to remove the pan from the heat and keep it covered for another 10 minutes. And then we're going to season it with pepper and stir through the baby spinach leaves until wilted. So the tip here says to avoid lifting the lid on the rice, as it lets the steam out and it slows down the cooking process. So we're going to move on to that. Now our coconut milk has come to a boil, so we're ready to add in our rice. I have washed our basmati rice already, and we're just going to add this in here. And we're going to lower the heat down to low, and we are going to cover this, and we're going to let this cook for 10 minutes. Moving on to step number 4, we are going to make the pineapple salsa. So while the rice is cooking, heat in a medium fry pan over a high heat, add the pineapple slices and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's lightly blackened. Remove from the pan and roughly chop. And then we're going to transfer this into a bowl, and we're going to add in the Roma tomatoes, cucumber, long red chili if you guys are going to be using it, and mint, and we are going to add in a dash of this pineapple juice. So we'll move on to that, and then it says here to season and taste with a pinch of salt and pepper and mix well and set aside. And then we'll be moving on to cooking our chicken. So I'm going to get that started. So I've added in pineapple in here, and I've also added in the juice, season it with some salt and pepper, and we're just going to mix this around and we're going to set it aside, and this is going to add as our salsa to our Jamaican chicken. Okay, moving on to step number 5, we are going to cook the chicken. So it says return to the same frying pan on a medium heat and add another drizzle of olive oil. Add the Jamaican chicken and cook for 6 to 7 minutes on each side or until golden and cooked through. And there you have it, guys. This is our Jamaican chicken from HelloFresh. It looks a little bit toasted, a little bit burnt, but it's okay. I think I might have had my saucepan a little bit too high, but it looks good, it looks yummy. And this one's hubby's one. He has coriander or cilantro all over his one because he loves coriander. So now we're going to do a little taste test to see how nice this one is, but it looks really good. I'm happy with how it turned out and I'm pretty excited to eat it. Okay, let's try this. Excited? Looks good, huh?
It does look good.
It's a little bit toasted, but it's okay. How's the flavor?
Coconut rice. I'll try the salsa.
I can really taste the mint in that salsa. So you can really taste the coconut in this one. It's really good. Kind of reminds me of suman. You know that one? So suman in the Philippines is kind of like a sticky rice kind of pudding, coconut rice pudding. Kind of reminds me of that. And the chicken is really nice and tasty as well. And I really do like the salsa because I'm a fan of pineapple. And
I love chilies.
You don't like cucumber though. I love cucumber. So I love cucumber and pineapple, and you can really taste the kind of like charcoal kind of taste to the pineapple.
The chili doesn't really have a true spiciness to it. Maybe it's a type of chili, or maybe it gets heated up a bit better. It tastes pretty good.
Yeah, it's really good. I like it. It was really easy to make. It probably took around about like the rice took 10 minutes. The rice took about 20 minutes to cook. Yeah. Prepping, there was not much prepping involved, just cutting up the vegetables and stuff and marinating the chicken, but that was heaps quick as well. It was a very easy meal to make and it looks really good, and we are going to enjoy this now.
It seems very healthy.
Healthy.
But then I'm adding beer to it. Not sponsored, don't worry.
Feel the spiciness on the chili a bit when you eat it. But if you guys are used to chili, it's not that hot. It's not that spicy.
Definitely good flavors though. And that mint kind of takes it away a little bit. The heat is good as well.
I really like this coconut rice. I'm gonna make this again, like the coconut rice.
It kind of makes it sticky, huh?
This is definitely something that I would probably make again. It was really easy to make, and it's really tasty, and I do like it. So I give this probably, I'll give it a 4.5, maybe 5 stars.
5 stars out of 5 stars.
Yeah, 5 out of 5. It's good.
I'll give it 4.5 because it didn't come with coriander. I had to add my own coriander, but it's just
because
me.
you add everything. You add coriander to everything. Okay, so we are going to end this video here. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I do have another 2 videos to make this week for this week's HelloFresh series, and keep an eye out for that one. So we're going to enjoy our dinner. Take care, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!